Oh, what's up?
Hey, yo, Money! What's up? How you doing? What your team is getting geared up and ready to play soon. It's just... Mudcrab, hi. How are you? I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm thoroughly... Money? Are you a member now? No, I'm sorry, you're not a member, you're a member. We know what that means, right? You know what a member is? Yes? Hello, Peen. Happy fake Valentine's Day. I'm starting off with a little bit of a low mood. Sweet and simply just because I can't freaking trade this morning. Yeah. Do you know how upset I am about this? This is actually, it's not even funny. It's not even funny. Luckily, I went to go and check. I went to go check my top one account. I'm gonna be clicking between and seeing if it's updated. Nope, still not. We're gonna see what we can do. I'm so upset. I can't even actually explain. I'm so upset. Mud Crab, how you doing? How are you? Rippy, are you good? Muddy, let me get you hooked up. I got you. You now have control of the memes. The memes. All the memes. Oh! I have to do something for Mikawave. Forgot to add it for Mikawave. Hey Laura, what's up? Happy Valentine's Day. I know it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, but it's fake Valentine's Day today, so screw it. Happy tomorrow. Thank you, buddy. Is Kara there? Like I said, I'm super bummed. I'm super bummed, but it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. Just gonna have to carry on. Just carry on carrying on. Hey Dom, what's up? How you doing? How are you? Good morning. And Young Ferb, what's up? Why are some of my messages not coming through? Oh, there you are. Sorry, Young Ferb. Maybe it's just because I'm blind because I don't have my glasses on. That's also a possibility. I don't celebrate bank holiday. Is today a bank holiday? I was gonna say I want to vote for Mikawave to join Blue Squad so he can stop being power abused. Maybe. Maya's ready for the day of love. Absolutely, just for you guys. What do you think? Look. It wiggles. Don't wiggle wiggle. I've started off I was so excited for today, guys. I was so excited. As you can see, I got all ready. I'm like, let's do this. And then, dun dun dun, I cannot trade. I can't place a trade. So maybe it was just I wasn't meant to trade London session today. I don't know. I'm sad, I'm upset, but it is what it is. Hopefully I'll be able to trade New York session. Let's see. Muddy, sorry, I'm just making sure you have all the access to all the memes, by the way. Because you now have access to all the memes. Making sure I got you. It means you can now be the creator of chaos as well.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I told you! Look at that! Good morning! You are now the creator of chaos. Hey Ace, what's up? Ice cream. Wait, what happened? Did something else happen I missed? Was super bummed from yesterday. So luckily I went onto my account today to check it out on Top One, and it said, let me actually, I won't show you guys, but here we go. It said today, if I went to my weekly stats, I can even post it in Discord. It said today I am down $1,102. Okay, I have not placed a trade. It said my balance was down to 51,653, and I was like, no, I haven't placed a trade. This is not possible. So my balance on Top One is 51,653, but on TradingView, it's where it should be at 52,755. So I sent them an email. Like I said, Top One is really, really good at getting back to you quickly. They're really, really good at getting back to you quickly. I sent an email within half an hour. They responded saying, we are aware there's an issue. We're so sorry. We know that it's not synced. Don't worry, your profit is safe. Just in order to not create... let me maybe actually read this solidly. Let me read exactly what they said here. Here we go. Thank you for reporting. We're actively working on a known synchronizing issue between Tradeovate and Dashboard. We understand that your dashboard may currently be showing incorrect balances, missing trade history, or an erroneous breached status. Please rest assured that your actual trading data and profits are safe. This is a display and sync error only. It does not reflect the actual reality of your account on the exchange. Recommendation: to prevent any further discrepancies with your account status, we strongly recommend that you pause trading immediately until this issue is fully resolved. So yeah, once it's sorted, my dashboard will automatically update to reflect my correct balance and status. So you're going to be seeing me refreshing my dashboard often. Yep. Just refreshed it now. Unfortunately not. Okay, sorry, let me now respond to everything. Miss me and your car is all happy today in front of the telly, happy to watch you pass an evil today. She literally had popcorn. No! And now I can't trade. I'm so sad. Hey Oleg, what's up? Hey Geordie, how are you? I don't understand why you can't trade today. We went up and down. Please subscribe to us. Oh, thank you, Oleg. I appreciate that. Cara, you're gonna love this. And Laura, my dress has pockets. I'm wearing a dress and it has pockets. How cool. The best thing ever. How to have hot chilies. That's weird. Right, Muddy? It is, and it's really frustrating. Party for tonight, it said I was down. Damn! Okay, Party, that's worse. So, Party, you also can't trade, right? You're also using Top One? What happened? Well, the AI is helping companies get rich while the regular people go broke. This is hella weird, and maybe it's a good thing because I feel like London might be a bit crazy with swings today, so I'm gonna have some fun with house money, but waiting for New York might actually be good. True, maybe it was just a sign that I shouldn't do it today. I can see everyone. Let's see this only looking hella. Oh, thank you, Muddy. You're such a sweetie pie. Thank you. And we go to Bob Level's car. Said pockets on a dress. How? Right? Right? I know. It's like one of my favorite dresses because of the fact that it has pockets. I get so excited. Yes, can't trade with Top One. Oh gosh, party for tonight. It's okay, shame. I can't blame them. You know, things happen, but I do want to swap over to Tradeify when I can. But let's see. Again, can't blame them. You know, and like I said, what a quick response. I don't know if you also got a quick response. Party for tonight. How long have you been using them for, by the way? Okay, well, you know what? Nothing stops me from then going through things. Maybe it won't be such a long stream today. Sorry, Cara. Well, Cara, Muddy, maybe it's just... I can't see anything. Maybe it's just proof that you guys need to hurry up and get your Discord sorted. Who said that? Who said that? Who? What? What? Okay, that's that done. Midnight range is... Good grief, I'm blind now. Add pink to the mix and it's a disaster. I'm gonna pretend that I look cool like this. There we go. Okay, midnight open. Here.
That's what she said.
She's so excited and happy for Valentine's stream, and she knows that I unfortunately don't have anything planned for her tomorrow. Yeah. That's why you want to divorce him. Hey, it makes sense. It makes sense. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I know you guys love each other so much. It's, ooh, missed by a tick. That's annoying. Ridiculous. You guys are so cute. It's nauseating. Dom, is my favorite color red? I've heard that red suits me. I won't know. I don't know if it's my favorite color. I don't actually know if I have a favorite color, to be fair. OTT, what's with the fit? What do you mean? Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, you single Pringle. Nikolai, what's up? Nice. What's up, boom? Yes, I did. I've been using them since November last year. I'm happy with Top Step for now. Well, there we go. Party for tonight. Have you used my code? No, I'm just messing with you. Told you something. My heart is totally because you're looking like an. Oh, thank you, Oleg. Appreciate it. So OTT, sweet and simply, there's a bit of a syncing issue between Top 1 and Tradevate, so I can't trade because my balance on Tradevate is correct. My balance on my dashboard on Top 1 says that I am down 1,000 and something dollars. They are aware of the issue. They did apologize. Like I said, props to them. They respond to you really quickly. I was going through... Let me... Shoot, did I close it? I was going through the awards for the prop firms. The prop awards. That's not what it's called. But I was going through the awards for the prop firms and Top 1's actually on there. Yeah, for the best up and coming. Just thought I would mention that. I was like, hey, that's pretty cool. Asia High. That's done. Okay. Watch there be a perfect setup today. Just watch. There's going to be a freaking A+++ setup today just because I can't trade London session. But again, maybe it's just a sign that I need to be hands off. And I will just... Oh, no. Gosh, I feel so old. And why do I feel so old because... Why did it do that? Because I feel so blind without my glasses. No, let me change it to Sean stream. See everyone. I'll be right back. She's excited for the stream because she thinks that I'm kind of not doing anything tomorrow. I think there's nothing planned tomorrow. I know, that's hilarious. Maria, I went with you. Don't worry.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Party for tonight. You're such a sweetie pie. Thank you. Get full after 2 hours. Pleasantly surprised. Okay, this is what's happening with... Oh. So, OTT. My balance here. Trade of 8 is correct. Oh, good grief. Mudcrab has the power now. So, yes, on Trade of 8, my balance is correct. But on my Top 1 dashboard, my balance says that I am down $1,102. even though obviously I did not take trade. So it says I'm on 51653. I did make them aware of the issue. They did email me. Like I said, they were really quick. They were really good with getting back to me. I cannot complain. There was a synchronizing issue between Tradeovate and their dashboard. So they did say, please rest assured that your actual trading data and profits are safe, but they strongly recommend that I pause trading immediately until the issue is fully resolved, just to prevent any further discrepancies. So, you know, rather safe than sorry. Imagine I pass and then it's like, oh, no, sorry. I would be so upset. So rather hands off, you know, take some of the pressure off as well, which is not a bad thing, right? So let's then do a little bit of forward testing. Maybe it won't be such a long stream. That's English. Nailed it. Well, it is Valentine's tomorrow, so we can make it a nice thing. Can do our top to bottom analysis as well. Have some fun together. Hello, I bought the same glasses for my wife. Nice. Did she love them? Oh, like, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Damage. Buddy, it's exclamation mark damage, so just damage. You said them on. You can't see anything as it darkens the screen.
Emotional damage.
There we go. I'm bringing the bulls to today's price action. Let's go to level down. They should auto pass your evil because they stuffed you around. So apparently, I don't know if anyone else is proper. I kind of wish they did this. Apparently, if you pass your eval, if you reach the 23, they automatically stop the trade. You know, like same with if you had to go beyond your limit, you can't trade anymore. Apparently, if you pass on, like, I know Violinox, I'm not sure about Tradeify, but I know Violinox, if you reach your 23 limit, it stops the trade immediately. If they had done that, I would have been done 3 trades ago. Oh well. Not all prop firms are the same, and it's fine. I wish they did do that though, because then I would have passed 3 trades ago, but fine. But at least on you, so you don't let the pressure of passing. You take weird trades, you know, basically. They were like, stop. Just breathe. I'm so maidenless. I forgot when Valentine's was. Oh. There's the, yeah. Muddy, that was the emotional the power. Yes, they close the trade automatically. See, I wish they did that here. I wish they did it for this. Tap VWAP back down. Let's see how this goes. I mean, nah. Hey, Platinum Player, what's up? There's a little bit woman things. What? Anyways. My last trade in the passing phase. I'm kind of upset that they don't, but it is what it is. Thank you, Alicia. I really appreciate it. It's the Valentine's special. Tradeify used to, I don't know if they still do, to be fair. And I have the duck now. You do have the duck now. You paid the beautiful duck? No. Tradeify doesn't do that. Oh, interesting. I don't have wings. That would have been cool. If I had wings, that would have been awesome. I mean, I got a little bow tie. Platinum Player, how you doing? Can you even see with those things on? Kind of. Not great, but kind. It makes me question. I don't know if you guys, obviously a lot of you know Tanya trades. She trades with like these orange, yellow glasses. I don't know why. Is it maybe to stop blue light? I've taken 1 trade this whole week. I'm going through withdrawals. Oh my gosh. Brightest future, red is your color. Thank you. I appreciate that. 100% for the smash. And this is why we're besties. Just saying. Seriously, besties. Never met you, but 100% besties. Tell all your other friends to eat their hearts out, okay? Seriously, guys, just get a freaking Discord, like, right now. Right now. Kara, go on your phone, get it. I traded them now. Blue light glasses, since my chart is the bright white hurts my eyes. Why don't you then change it to dark mode? So that's the reason. It helps with the blue light. And it's those yellow things. Yeah, correct? Oh, he got a membership. I mean, it kind of helps that you can't trade either because you can't see. Exactly. So I was like, no, listen, if I was trading, believe me, I would have been like, this is for now. Maybe I would have like popped them here or something. Or no, maybe it would have been weird. Put them there. Been a mustache. Ooh. Put my glasses on. I'm too blind. I mean, it helps that, you know, the GAN has the levels. Don't have to be looking super hard. You can see the fair value gaps. You can see the shelves. Let's see if this watch. Like I said, watch today the most perfect setup form. And I cannot trade it. I'm gonna keep, like I said, believe me, I'm going to keep refreshing my damn dashboard. And the second it shows the correct balance, I'm gonna be looking for potential A+ setup. Nice and early gamble, let's say, bringing the balls. To what point, Muddy? All the way back up? So, Dom, you're saying short, Mud's saying long. But Perry's sighing like he owes the world money. You know, who knows? Oh, Sebastian, thank you. Sebastian, I'm also on it, by the way. I'll send you things ASAP. I want to see a beautiful retest. So Patrick, you're also thinking short? So Maddie, are you just long to the retest, basically? I think I forgot how to trade. Why? What happened? What happened? Just because you've only taken one trade this week, but it was such a banger. So, you know, it's fine. Okay, wait. On that note, let's do a top-down analysis quickly. So, let's go, daily. Damn, guys, I'm so blind. I never used to realize how blind I was until I started wearing my glasses again. Now I'm like, it's so overextended. Surely this has to retest solidly. Looked into there. This has to retest some of yesterday's I mean, all of yesterday New York session was just big giant imbalance. Let's just be real. That being said, it could maybe take out the low before it retests. What are your thoughts? Do you think it might want to take out this low before it retests back up? If it does, that is a heck of a drop that it would want to do. Like, seriously, that is a heck of a drop. So that's that. Let's check. .041. I like this 041 level for a retest. Tapped into a fair value gap here. Wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a retest there. Okay, 041 is what I'm quite keen on. Check the 1 hour. Yeah, 041. I would have potentially a sell limit around there. The slowly down thing is not great. Okay. Well, let's zoom in slightly. Let's see now. 15-minute. 15-minute actually kind of looks yucky. No, that's quite a weird thing to say. Ah. Okay, 5 minutes. Sorry, I went deep into thought there about something. Five-minute retest. Okay, and back to the 1 minute. Of course, Ripper's here lecturing me so early on Valentine's. Are you not gonna be nice to me today? It's Valentine's Day. Okay. I've missed things. I'm so sorry. So, do you trade... Do I trade the whole day? I trade London Open and New York Open. I think shorts until it takes out the last daily low. Have you put the... Oopsies. Rip. Have I put the 2 for 800 on the chart? I have not yet. You want to trade the whole thing? Nope, I've missed that. Sorry. Called you money. Having a little gamble, playing with some house fun. Can't complain. Okay. I feel like I've missed a bunch of things. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Just send messages again. Outcast is this Nasdaq? It is. It's the MNQ to be specific. Yeah, looking at the charts now, not when the New York starts. Hey, the super steeds. I look at both London and New York sessions, so I'll be back for New York as well. Hopefully I can trade then. But I will be back for the New York session as well. Man, that's amazing. I'm starting to make this always a great feeling. Franks. Tomorrow it is reject off this level and flush section low. I just realized no one asked my be Valentine. I'm offended. It's okay. I understand. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Let's see. Hey, Green Globe. Yeah. TP is 823. Got 2 runs. Damn. Okay. Damn, Muddy. Rip, nice to you, never. No, I mean, of course. How silly of me. How silly of me to think that you would want to be nice to me, right? That's on me. That's my bad. I shouldn't have assumed that you would want to be nice to me, especially not on Valentine's. I can't even remember. Were you nice to me on my birthday? I don't know if you were. I can't remember if you were nice to me on my birthday. Maybe not. Anyways, back to the charts. Perennial growth. What model technique do I use most in my trades? I use the market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences, as well as volume profile levels, bob levels. What do you reckon your average percentage gain difference between your losses and your wins, if that makes sense? Nick, it kind of makes sense. Percentage gain. Well, I have a 60% win rate and it's a 1 to 2R strategy, so the wins double the losses. Hopefully that kind of helps answer that a little bit. I was gonna stream today, but I'm feeling so lazy. Lazy? Well, I mean, you don't have to be active. Just I guess it's a lot of talking. I think I'm just used to it now. I do remember when I started streaming, it used to be quite tiring. You don't realize, yeah. You don't realize quite how tiring it can be to sit in and talk and engage and keep going. I think it used to be more difficult because obviously I didn't have people watching, so I'd just be talking to myself, kind of like I'm doing now, for hours. They can't believe it, not the NQ Cowboys, NQ Big North Queen. That is amazing, Mudcrab. Such a drama queen. Yes. Do you see how I'm dressed today? Do you see I even straightened my hair? You best believe the drama's in play. Okay. When is my birthday? Oh, sorry, Maddie, you missed my birthday. My birthday was the 2nd of December. Yes, yeah. Yep, that's pretty good. Oh, close, so close. So close. You were very, very close, Maddie. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Okay. Let's see, like I said, I wouldn't have taken this trade if I just didn't. It just wasn't an A+ setup. So I wouldn't have taken it. Let's see, maybe it would have worked out. Meh. I mean, look at that freaking volume imbalance. What is that? What in the VI is that? Like, what if I catch a trade like the first 30 minutes of open? What do I do the rest of the session? You can just make it an early stream, right? You just call it there and be like, cool, I'm done so for today. I get tired of sitting at my desk for too long when trading. No, that's valid. It is. Sitting is a lot, guys. Sitting, I don't think people understand. Do you know how, this is going to sound so weird, but thank you. Also, you look beautiful for pre-Valentine. Outcast, you're such a sweetie pie. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Sorry for being really delayed with the response. Do you know how sore I was, like my neck and everything, from sitting for that 24-hour live stream? I was like demolished. I was not okay. And, you know, theoretically, you're just sitting the whole day. What difference does it make? But
that's what she said.
that was really good. That was really, really good. Oh gosh. No, Nick, spam away. I love it. But Lejo, what's up? Not gonna lie. RP kind of suits you. RP? RP? Date of birth, country name, 65% security compromised already. RP. Jordy, I'm so sorry. Jordy, do you have anything planned for your special lady this Valentine's Day? That's what VI success smells like. Literally just looked at Bitcoin charts for like 2 weeks and made my own calculations and tested within over 5 days I made. Damn, Nick, that's really impressive. So I don't trade Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin terrifies me. I trade futures, especially because with futures, the spreads are nicer. So they're a little bit more beginner friendly, if that makes sense. So as a beginner, damn, you jumped into a really difficult puddle over there. I'm having way too much fun with these little doing thingies. Anyways. Please, Nick, spam away, but you're also more than welcome to join the Discord community. We do have some people that do trade Bitcoin. Some guy trades Bitcoin. I don't know, I think Bitcoin just scares me a little bit. I don't know why. I know it's still kind of going down. I know a lot of people say a reversal might be in the cards soon for Biddy. Hola, what's up? I had a dream last night. Oh! Nice. I don't even know what this would be a roleplay of. But anyways, I had a dream last night that the market crashed and ES went down to 360. Oh no, Mikowave. That's a terrible dream. That is a very scary dream. Shorted, it's a sign. Any more news? I can't be. Oh, sorry, Maddie. Yes, I can. Give me a second. So, oopsies. Maddie, let me get your levels. TP is 823. Gosh, now you're gonna make me squint at the screen. Okay. TP is 823. Stop loss is 686. Okay, 686 and 2 runners, 1, 2, 838 and then 848. Oh, okay, so at oh, sugar honey iced tea, press the wrong thing. At open, nice, and 848. Why don't you head for Asia High? Why don't you go for Watermelon Asia High? Do at this 864.75 level. Just out of curiosity. Can we market property today? Wow. Bossy. BTW, my TraderFi crypto dropping today. Ooh, really? Ooh, really? Sorry, it took me a minute. I was like, what do you mean? Really? That's exciting. Ooh, okay, so no ways. Now I want to check it out. It didn't have a date on it, did it? No, I don't think so. Let me double check. TraderFi crypto is sugar honey iced tea. When did I freaking post this? Here we go. Doesn't say when. How do you know it might be launching today? Hey, Kieran, what's up?
That's what she said.
I lost 50k in futures first time trading. Macklin, damn, what happened? Did you use a prop firm? Did you just go for it? Tell me the details. I apologize, I'm only reading back up now. I do apologize if I haven't read everything. Scared me too. I know my strat could work in any market, just feel more comfortable in indices. No, 100%. Indices. Right. Wow, that's a lot of red. No experience. I literally just looked at Bitcoin charts for like 2 weeks and made my own calculation. In 5 days I made. Damn, look at you go. Wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I've missed a lot. What do you... Slash first then picnic at... Whatever, right. Outdoor movie, including during sunset, all good stuff. Then maybe some din-din at Karoo. Won't put up all my losses and mood swings for you. She deserves it. Oh, that is adorable. Last verification is a question for you. Go for it, Nick. What's up? Make that profit from the bearish. Ask ChatGPT a bunch of questions about it, then safely, and even some losses and wins were a lot bigger. Interesting. What is the best advice you could give someone starting out? Nick, it's something I still have to follow. Have your rules and stick to them. Try not to let the emotions come into play. I let the emotions come into play yesterday, you know, and it happens. It does happen, you know. It is what it is. So I have a bunch of rules. It sounds like you do more swing trading though. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this is more day trading. I'm assuming you do swing trading. Correct me if I'm wrong, Nick. But yeah. They said on Twitter and Limit Trades posted, hey! Okay, then for all those people trading crypto, Tradeify is about to start it up and you can use my code to get a crypto Tradeify account. That's so exciting. Sorry. Okay, I'm happy with the retest. What's up, Jace? How you doing? I'm just setting her up for another year of pain. That's valid. That's valid. I get it. I get it. Ooh, good rejection off of that volume imbalance. Let's see if it gets stuck here. Might get stopped out quick. If not, I think I'll just hire some bulls. Go for it. Go for it. My advice is tape read a lot before pushing any buttons. No, I trade on a 5-minute time frame. Oh, nice. Okay. And do you trade every day? What's your thing? Have you looked into prop firms or not really? For some reason I can't see the reflections of the room in the glasses. Because I'm looking at you. I'm gonna be sassy, but I'm gonna be sassy to you in a nice way. Sorry, I can't look for any trades just yet, so I'm sad. Can I? Wait. I'm gonna keep refreshing this damn page. Nope. Listen, guys, my heart fell. It literally, I nearly cried. I nearly cried when I hopped onto my dashboard this morning and I saw this minus $1,102. I was like, no, when, how, what? And then I started like going through my brain. I was like, did I accidentally leave a contract open? What did I do? I haven't taken a trade today. I was having like an actual little panic attack. So thank heavens. Yeah, thank heavens that they are aware and it's a mistake. Yeah. But yo, I would not have been very chuffed. And at least I became aware of it and I now know rather not trade. You might cause drama for yourself if you do that. ETW, you can see your Bugatti in the reflection of your glasses. I freaking wish. Do I wish? Would I even get a Bugatti? You know what? OTT, do you know what would be so funny? Hear me out. Do you know what would be amazing? Because you know you can hire cars, right? Should I try find if there's a pink Bugatti for hire and I just go and do like take some photos with it? Just for funsies. I think you're a little early, but love the outfit. Thanks, Dylan. I'm sorry, what? You copy trade 26 accounts? You guys ever reach this mental plateau with trading where looking at charts is not as exciting anymore? Jordy, isn't that a good thing though? I've only done like a couple of episodes at a course with my dad when I was a kid about resistance and support. Interesting. Jordy, indeed, because you're consistently looking for the same thing gets boring, but trading is meant to be exciting anyways, making money and bounce. OTT, yeah, but that's exactly, isn't it supposed to be a little bit boring because then there's no emotions? If you're getting this mad spike of adrenaline and fear, because you know adrenaline and fear are pretty close in hand. Hey Spotty Bunny, what's up? Maya, maybe don't actually answer this just in case, so maybe take off. Mud crab, I don't know. I haven't decided yet because it would be nice to be funded. Start getting some payouts, right? Ah, Silent Sub Queen, what's up? Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're such a sweet pie. TJ, where am I streaming from? South Africa. That's gonna be stuck in my head now. The more boring the better, really, because it means you're probably doing what you need to get through your discipline and consistency. Patterns don't work, don't waste time on them. Dom says short now outdoorsy gets exciting when you're learning new concepts, seeing them play out, but once you find your model and stick with it, it gets boring. Yeah. Nick, do you have Discord? Maybe that's why I've been more open to new things. I think I found my thing now. I'm gonna stay bored with it. Yeah, and that's a good thing. Be bored. I know that sounds weird, but be bored. Damn, Muddy, this is looking good. Not exactly, but one thing I'm gonna say is emotions always there. We human can't really be emotionless because not acting on these emotions. Yep. They can be kawabe. Shoot. I said I would do this for you. Can I do this while live? I don't have to focus too much. It's like, can't trade, cry. Be bored. Got it, Mom. Thanks. Mom? Mom? Excuse me? I am your little sister. Get it right. Just frying me mad. What's up, TDO? Nick, do you want to join the Discord? You're more than welcome to. Then you can ask a bunch of questions. I'll be happy to help you. Anyways, do I have proof? If not, Mikrovic, I did not forget about you. I ran out of time. But I can quickly do this. I saw something saying risk $500. I mean, if you pass top one, you can get a trade of high eval and kind of speed run it in a way rather than taking it slow, trying to pass it in a few weeks. True, I could do that. You're right. Just be like, let's do this. See how it goes. What's your plan? Like, Mayakin's got a daily date or Perry the Keep of Your Heart? I got Perry and I got Finn. Maybe I'll try Surf again. That could be quite cool. Yeah. Those are my plans for Valentine's Day. Is it in the chat? It is in the channel description. If it doesn't work, let me know. I can also send a link on the chat. Whoever's long, pay the duck here. I'd probably do that. Yeah, the safer to just learn just one coin and trade it. Nick, it's what I've been doing. Pick one asset and stick with it, and then once you start to get better at recognizing your trading style and your trading strategy, and once you have a better understanding, then you can start jumping and changing, because all assets are similar but still act different. Okay, again, guys, please correct me if I'm wrong. Obviously, English. Obviously, I've just been sticking with Nasdaq. So, what just happened? Oh, Dylan! Shout out. It's not my birthday, but happy Valentine's Day. Shout out to Dylan for the dono. You're such a sweetie pie. I'm safe to just learn one coin and trade it. Aw, thank you. Try to use your newfound knowledge on some huge trades and instantly get funded in Tradeify. They'll absolutely love that. Of course, Nick. Yeah, let me know if it doesn't work, obviously. No, I wanted it to read out loud. No, I'm so sorry. I don't have that just yet. I'm getting it. That you've proven you can pass it with proper risk and rules, so who cares? True. You want to study me? Good luck. If you can figure that out, please let me know. Try to use mini cons and works towards playouts rather than just passing evals. Like even on the 5-minute time frame. Market moves up and down together pretty much. So you'll see, so Nick, I don't know, can you see here? I have ES open with NQ because ES drives Nasdaq. They work, they tend to work together, so it gives you a good idea. So you find what works in correlation with Bitcoin, right? What works in correlation with Bitcoin? Obviously you don't know. So does anyone know? Is there a market that works in correlation with Bitcoin that maybe drives Bitcoin a little bit? That you can have open on the side and you can maybe get an idea or gauge where it could be headed towards? Yeah, 2nd of December is my birthday. Thanks, Dom. Can you take 15 in 1 hour for me, please? I gotcha. So 15 minutes. Let's do the 1 hour first. Nick, do you want to get a prop firm? Sorry, I've asked you this like 5 times. You've probably answered me. I didn't see it. I apologize. No, it's not Mikuave. It's not actually my birthday. My birthday's in December. Ethereum. I have no idea. I think all-time high is correct with ETH is correlation with Bitcoin. Thank you. Girl, what's up? How you doing? DJ, what's with the... It's Valentine's tomorrow, and obviously I'm not streaming tomorrow, so it's early Valentine's Day. What's up? I don't like to trade crypto, but one of my good mates is full-blown into it. There we go, Muddy. Like I said, you're a kryptonite or not. get it, the crypto. Anyways, either you like crypto or you don't, and again, each to their own. You know, you do you. If it makes you happy, go for it. If you don't like it, don't trade it. So now 15 minutes. Now check all 5-minute time frame. Oh, isn't Solana and Biddy also Solana? I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. They seem to go up and down at the same time when I check all of them in 5-minute time frame. So are you saying like all crypto kind of works together, Nick? Is that what you've kind of been getting at? Am I getting some tomorrow? No. But anyways. But Bitcoin is the driver and other crypto follows. Oh, interesting. Well, yes, indices are correlated. NQ, ES, YM, RTY. Just ES and NQ are just closer. And YM and RTY. See, so yes, so OTT, yes, all cryptos then are similar and they work together, but some just are closer together. I don't know if I was saying that correctly, but you get the idea. Is Maya married? No. That was actually funny. My wife is pillow popping all over the couch. I love it. Oh gosh, I don't know if that's just the moment since crypto is having a bit of a crash. It could be. All of our companies are conglomerated together. I like that word, conglomerated. Anyways, yes. David, you are lucky he's not here at the moment. Oh, you might take your chance, I won't tell. That is hilarious. And maybe because Bitcoin is the biggest, it affects all others. From the monkeys around the corner. With hints. Okay, wait. I was gonna do something specifically for Microwabe. Because it is Valentine's Day and apparently I'm the Valentine's fairy, so I gotta do something special here. So I apologize. Okay. That was so lame. I apologize for that, but anyways, that was very, very lame. I'm gonna refresh again soon. Let me refresh. Let's see if I can get a trade in. Refresh and nope. Sugar honey iced tea. I'm curious about this one. Let's see if this would have. Oh, look at that. Would have taken this though. I mean, that volume imbalance was just mwah. That volume imbalance was amazing. Look at this little mother over here. What is this? Check it out, rejected off of that. Wow. Okay, cool. That is a very impressive volume imbalance over there. Okay, so we went past VWAP. Oh, but it rejected off of VWAP on ES. Okay, Mikuave, I got you. Have to find this quickly. Okay, I got it. Okay, people, just bear with me. It's gonna be weird for a second. It might be loud. I have to add this because I promised Mikuave I would. Are you ready?
Okay, let's go.
I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. Okay. just for Mikuave. I promised him. Oh gosh. Okay. Are you ready? Let me now just put it here. Okay, you ready?
Okay, let's go.
Such a lame one. Oh, Mikuave, this is hilarious. Okay. I'm done. I'm so sorry. I need to start looking more at anti-volume and trends. Does anyone know any app where you can set a volume alert for special or specific special coin? Ask more in Discord once I join. Go for it. I think I found the right one. What was that? Why does the screen say I was timed out by David for 10 seconds? Is David here? David? David? Is David here? Is everyone in here? It's in sugar. Yeah, a little bit. David be lurking. Hey, David likes to bad people. David always here in the shadows. He's protective of Maya. Be careful. Ah. Feel like when I heard that, I just broke down laughing. Rico Wave, don't say I don't do anything for you. Broke. Oh. Wow. Okay, went above there, went above there. Let's see. Oh, man. It is funny. It is funny. It's pretty damn funny. You cannot deny it. Hey yo, Dylan, what's up? Guys, it's 4 AM. So, like I said, I literally set an alarm specifically for 4 so that I do not donut. Maybe I need donuts. I do not miss it. I even call it happy hour. See, Rip, I listen. Even set an alarm for you. And here you are being mean to me on a fake Valentine's Day, and I think that's mean. Just saying. But it's fine. There's only an Instagram link in the... It should be the first thing in the description. But it's okay, Nick. I got you. Don't stress. I gotcha. I gotcha. Donut happy hour. I'm in. Oh yes. Sorry, I didn't even like consider that, but donuts happy hour. Let's do it. Microwave. Oh, so. Ooh, oh no! I nearly hurt my nightmare. Okay. So do you see I mark out the 3 a.m. open? I also mark out the 4 a.m. opening price, or 3:30 or 3:30 and 350. Good grief, Maya. 359 opening price. No, that was a mistake. Y'all, I'm so blind without my glasses. This is actually not even funny. I used to think I had really good eyesight, and now I'm like, I feel like an old lady that has to like squint at the TV like this and be like, okay, what have we got? I want to know what that microwave thing was. Oh, the microwave? Okay, microwave, let's do it. Okay, let's go with that little bit of music.
Okay, let's go.
Is it loud enough? So bad. If you have some headache medicine on standby. Dylan, always. No, that sounds bad. That makes it sound like I'm already... Wait. Nope, never mind. I was being dumb. Ignore me. Okay. I'm waiting to see what happens here now. Bahar, what's up? They're sitting there doing nothing. Oh yeah, sorry, it wasn't the best. Thoughts on session. That's enough Maya for today. Wow! DJ? How mean. That's enough Maya for today. There's never enough Maya for the day. Just kidding. I've had enough Maya for the day, so I get it. Hey Zip, what's news? I'm not sure. I don't think there's any new. Oh, you're just asking me what's new? Is that what you're asking? No idea. Sorry. I don't think there's anything new. This just looks like it's going down. I can't put any trades in, regardless of. I'm sitting like an absolute shrimp. There we go. That's better. Let's maybe not sit like we have the worst posture in the world. We're gonna have a look. Yeah, microwave. I got you. I told you. I told you I would do it specifically for you. We can even go check out. Now that it's Valentine's Day. Oh, you were asking about the PS bar yesterday, right? You want to see the PS bar? I can solidly find you the PS bar now. Bahara, how far am I from completing phase 1? Can you see my balance? My balance is 52755.92. I was actually $40 away from passing, and then I had a half loss and a loss yesterday. It is what it is, and I can't trade right now because my dashboard balance and my trading view balance are out of sync. So they've just said like maybe halt, maybe don't do something silly and make it worse just in case. This was a very big bounce off of VWAP on ES. Huh. Maybe it was just the world saying, chill. Chill today. Because so far this is kind of, like, it is pushing, but it's sideways. This isn't a nice enough push today just yet. See if it goes back to take out the highs. Rip, do you see I am taking note? Don't you miss having someone? The kisses, the touches, the whispers. If you want me to start going on and on about my ex, I will, but that human being traumatized me to a point where, no, I'm fine. I'm really, really fine. Literally uninterested. I can't. He was terrible. Would you say trading or sports betting is harder? I mean, I trade, I don't bet on sports, so I would have no idea. And if I was to bet on sports, I'd probably bet on racehorses, and I would be absolutely terrible at that, so I want to say trading is easier. You're so mean. Oh, it's okay. Melting it. No. That melt yesterday was insane. Yes, also for the box and half bounces. I told her friends sports betting is much easier, and he said otherwise it looks more difficult. Wait for confirmation, a second push down, and then a rejection after, then a long should be fine. Ikowawe! I feel like this is valid for you right now.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Every man is the same, right? No, not at all. Not at all. Just literally. No, he was like a full-on fruitcake, like a fruit basket. No, mentally there was a lot wrong with him. A lot wrong with him. Literally, we only dated for 3 months. To give you an idea, we dated for 3 months, and the amount of stuff I went through in those 3 months, I was just kind of like, I'm okay with having a break and not having to deal with any of that for a while. But no, not all men are the same, right? But if you got a box of chocolates and you were told one of them was who, would you be trusting the rest? How long? So I was with the ex for 3 months. How long was my longest relationship? 2 years? 3 years? 2 years? 3 years, something like that. What's up? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? I think I saw David in your classes, or maybe I'm paranoid. Can you imagine? That would be scary, especially because he's supposed to live in Australia. 95% of traders fail, which is why we are the 5%ers. Mike M, sorry guys, I didn't know if you know this, but today is also Friday the 13th. How wild. I was gonna like put blood on me as well, and I was like, no, maybe that's pushing it. Let's just keep this happy chappy. I did the Halloween thing last year with the blood, and let's keep this the happy chappy version. No, he was a complete fruit basket, like just mentally cooked. Just cooked. Something you have to fail to know what you shouldn't do. But that's exactly it, an identified fruit. Oh, that's why the fruit thing popped into my head. That unidentified fruit went into my brain. Anyways, it's never a loss when trading. It's always a lesson. So now you're like, you think you can hurt me? You think I'm a trader and I deal with 800 kilogram animals. Bring it on. Literally, I have a video. I was playing around with the horse yesterday. She was running at me, and I was trying to teach her how to rear up. I was having some fun. But literally, I have a video of me standing there, and she comes like full speed at me, and I just stand there, and she just like slams on brakes. And I'm like, "Are you done? So, you know, bring it on. I'm not scared of a 800 kilogram animal. I'm not gonna be afraid of you. Let's just be real. Jose, no, I did not. I can't trade today because my dashboard and my trading view balance are different. There's a problem with the syncing, so I cannot place a trade, which is why I'm talking a little bit extra. Sorry for those of you that just hopped on. I actually can't place a trade right now. I'm still watching the markets, trying to see, maybe, I don't even know, trying to see. So I might not be on for as long today because, like I said, I think I'm still just, yes, I can say hoping now. I'm hoping that my account sorts itself out. I think the cool people are here. Give me 2 seconds. Sorry, I love that this dress has pockets. I apologize for Perry. He's gonna make so much noise in the background. The poor guys are here and he's on a mission to protect. But anyways. If I don't pray, it's a lesson they don't understand. See, so unidentified fruit, that's the problem. To check to non-traders about trading is the definition of a headache. Everybody has a different strategy and they don't have to be the I think sports betting too discipline. I'm pretty good at run out rank. Or not. No, but that's true. Do you know how many like jeans I have with fake pockets? This is a big phone. Like seriously, and then people wonder why women's phones always break. It's because they're always falling out wherever we're trying to keep them stored. And I hate bags. I'm not a fan of like backpacks, or not backpack, handbags. I don't like handbags and things, so yeah. It's fine. Sorry, random. I'm very aware that was very, very random, but anyways. Hey Ninja, what's up? You also gotta... Are you talking to me or what? Mikoave? I have questions? Young Pro, but that's exactly it, right? Just don't bother. So out of curiosity, what do you guys say if people ask you what you do? Like for those that only trade for a living, what do you tell people that you do? Are you like, yeah, you know, do you openly just say that you trade? Do you, I don't want to say lie because lie sounds bad, but yeah. There we go. Why did we do that? That's not what I wanted it to do. Sorry, give me a second. Give me a second. There we go. There's chat. No, wait, that won't work. There we go. There's chat. Just be over the screen. Sorry. Apologies. I know I'm a little bit chaotic today, but there's not much else for me to do right now except watch the wiggles go up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and on we go. What did I just read? Oh, Mikowabe. I know, jealousy makes you nasty. I got it. But... oh, wow. Just wow. I think I asked before, but am I streaming on my phone? No. Yes? No, not really. It's okay, Perry! So, I have 2 YouTubes going at the same time. I have a vertical and a horizontal. I study patterns on chart wiggles. Interesting. Me too. Why? What happened? If you talk to people about taking risks and making money from making those risks, they'll get jealous and you can tell their response best just not talk to any of them. No, but that's exactly. I lie and say that, well, not really a lie. I just say I'm a flip. What do I say? Oh my gosh, that's gonna drive me crazy. Consultant. There we go. I like that. Oh, they're gone. Okay. I just say like a consultant. People never ask further questions. You just say I'm a consultant and they go, ah, okay. They don't ask what type of consulting or anything. You just say consultant and they go, they don't know that you're consulting the charts, but anyways. Ninja emotional damage, wow. The sun is for the day and the moon is for the night. We got you, okay. Ooh. Risk management. Does anyone know how to make Robin Hood landscape on a galaxy? I don't even know what that means, Dylan. But anyways, the funny thing is that bad week, we don't have a good week. What's up, Jody? But that's exactly because to bother talking about it, people then look at you funny. I mean, can you imagine? You guys are just traders. Now imagine saying, I'm a YouTuber that trades. I get like double the weird looks because they're like, excuse me, and I'm like, okay, never mind, my bad. Maybe it thoroughly upsets people because they're like, that's not a thing. I'm like, okay, if you say so. You really make your way up to pay tax and kill the money. Exactly. Or they then want to be like, oh, so I can give you money and you can trade for me. And I'm like, no, absolutely not. If you want to do that, learn it your damn self. You know, don't be lazy. Would not have taken that either. I'm low-key glad I can't trade right now. There's nothing amazing happening at the moment. Oh, got it. Does YouTube pay you? No, not really. You don't actually earn a lot from YouTube at all. Yeah. No, I'm sorry, there is amazing stuff. This is going bullish all the way to Muddy's TP. My bad, I nearly got yelled at there. Only one half back, Pinky's, but of course, there we go. Sign some kind of non-risk disclaimer for... Oh, I love that. I'd be like, okay, bet. Give it to me, but if I lose all of it, it's not on me. Because if you want to be a trader, you have to give me the money that you're willing to lose, right? So either I double it or you lose it. done and dusted, but it just has to be like, the fine print must be there. Stats have been met again. Yeah, took out the highs. Very, very nice. Higher probability was indeed taken. Trust me, Rip, I am watching, believe it or not. I know I'm talking a lot, but I am still watching the charts. Multitasking like a boss. Well, depending on the day, but in general, multitasking like a boss. Let's do this. Okay, so what next? Oh, Mudcrab, were you asking about the PS bar last night, by the way? Yes, no, maybe. Did you want to see what the PS bar looks like? Wait, take 20% and then full port the rest. Ah, Ninja, now we're getting smart. Now this feels sneaky. Anyway, what's up, David? Then you get the ones that are like, that's not a real job, and I'm like, how much do you make in 3 hours? That deserves this.
Emotional damage.
That is amazing. That is amazing. I agree with that though, 100%. Should have entered on the ES right now with this going backwards. I think we're not gonna have a good week this week. No, Miko, I don't say that. Caused by jealousy. Dylan, you cooked, bud. Good luck. I paid the bulls. I know exactly what you're talking about. It's basically just forced. I didn't, you know, reverse and ask you, how much do you lose in 3 hours? Ninja, don't come at us with that. Much love, just checking in before I sleep. Oh, hey Tyler, what's up? How you doing? Happy nearly Valentine's Day. Am I streaming stock? No, I'm streaming futures. I'm from the future. I'm from tomorrow, which is, I guess I would have to say today then. No, I'm joking. I'm not. But I am streaming the futures market, the Nasdaqs to be Nasdaqs. MNQ to be specific. Let's watch this go up, up, and away. I'm still bummed that I can't trade. Would I have taken this? Let's go. Okay, let me be an old granny and do this. Do I look old when I do this? Does this suit me? Okay, probability wise, that's good. I wouldn't have quite liked that. 1, 2. Okay, I wouldn't have taken this trade. Never mind. Makes no difference. Nice rejection off of this order block here. It's a very nice rejection. Nice. Okay. Back to focusing. You kind of look futuristic. Oh, cool. I was just curious if anyone knew. We literally have no boss. We do our own taxes. On a sick day, give yourself one. For walking, talking, ATMs. Jordy, can I say something that might be the emotional damage thing? Do you not still have a job? I'm not saying it in a mean way. I'm asking. The antennas I know, right? They really are. David, why can't I trade? Oh, my dashboard and my trading view are out of sync. So if I make it more out of sync, it might be a bit of a problem. I have to wait for them to sort out the error that occurred. So that's fun. So still nothing. I've refreshed this page like 50 times, hoping that it starts to take a hint, but nope. Love from Sri Lanka. What's up? I think the antenna are helping the Wi-Fi today. So what I'm hearing is I need to wear them more often. Two for 80 hit. Whoop whoop rip. Well done, man. I'll never forgive you for saying that. Just let me live out my damn dreams. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I I was asking for a friend. It wasn't me asking. Important export, so I'm just looking at the balance as a side hustle, sorry. No, but that's valid. Thank you for flying with Ribs Airlines. Well, that's full on a whoop-de-whoop for everybody. I got you. Whoop whoop. Oh, maybe it's just for the better. You need to chill this weekend because it's been a rough 2 weeks. Ninja? Right. But that being said, maybe I'll be able to trade New York session. Let's see. Let's see. Nice little extra. Wait, Mudcrab, but it hasn't hit your full TP yet. I'm very confused. Give me a second. I thought they'd left already. Who is he barking at? I was wrong, they had not left. So that's why he's going mental in the background. Sorry about that. Moving on. One will be... Mudcrab surely an Aussie. He is! How did you know? To be fair, I'm close now. Almost there. My normal salary is getting paid out. If I can pull it off for another month, I'm done. Are you serious, Jordy? That is a... Well done! I'm so freaking happy for you. That is amazing. I mean, I think as long as you have enough saved up that, let's say you have a bad month, you're still good, then it... I want to say it doesn't matter, but you know what I mean, right? I will put Sandy's on the side. Some bird told me something. The sucky feeling. Don't know if I'm gonna get you. Take it as a sign. Sim trade if you really have to scratch the edge. Nah, you're right. You are correct. It's fine. It is what it is. Things happened in your hands. Like, honestly, the next few months are like huge deciders. Jordy, it would be amazing though if you could. Like, seriously. It would be amazing if you could. Oh, got it. Maddie, I was like, oh my gosh, did I mark it wrong again? Dylan, shouldn't you be flying a plane? Me? What? What? If I could one more time? Oh, if you cough one more time, I'm gonna surgically remove my lungs. That was very vivid. Just let... Rip's got this. Rip is rearing until go. Microwave, you still there? Guys, check. I can now also add. Oh wait, have to up it. No, why is it not working? Why are we not working? Sugar honey iced tea. I'd have to probably close the chat, but you'll want to Google some weird South African things? No, not weird South African things. So we're talking about the PS bar. Here we go. That's what the PS bar is, by the way. This is the caramel one you're talking about, right, Geordie? These are good. I do like them. But yeah, this is the PS bar. Very, very cool. I know the chat's in the way on the vertical. I apologize. I mean, there we go. You can see it in the glasses. Damn, this thing really does reflect. Gonna give away all my secrets. Just kidding, I don't have secrets. Or do I? Anyways, back to being a normal human being. Well, as normal as I can be, I guess. It's just... Anyways. Hey, Trip Eater, what's up? I'm from South Africa. Fair enough. Here's the thing about I mean, you can imagine regular South Africans traveling, trading, actually living. Jordy South... Who was I having this discussion with? I think South Africa is about to become very... I don't like talking about politics, but I know that there's a lot of stuff happening, right? And one of them is that cars in South Africa are about to get very, very expensive. Contra 5 minutes before New York opened, had to reset at the chart tools. They don't blew the whole account within 10 minutes. Oh, Ninja, that's not okay. I'm sure you already know this, but I heard if you do a backflip, it'll increase your profits by 10%. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but if I did a backflip, I would probably die. So maybe, just maybe, that's a really bad idea. Are they good? What would you say they are similar to from South Africa? I wouldn't know. Mars, but no, definitely not on Mars. But what would a PS be like? A big version of maybe a Kit Kat? I don't know. Jody? I don't know. It's getting dark. We predict freaking candles for a living. Almost pretty sure we can smell a sinking ship. Yep, it's bad. Such a drama queen. Apparently the whole VW factory in South Africa closed down, and was it Toyota? No, not Toyota. Maybe it was Toyota. Another factory closed down in South Africa as well. So it's about to become chaotic. Would I have liked this trade? I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Not the best, but not bad. Let's see if this trade would have worked out. And that's where they found shopping. Yes, but are they similar to something else? Can we double tap the screen? I think you can. How much would a VW Polo be in South Africa? Shall we Google it? Now that I have the capabilities. We're ready. Let's Google it. VW Polo, hey? Let's see. Okay, again, I can't see with that, so let's let's be normal. Let's put on glasses for a second so that I can actually see what I'm doing. I mean, damn, there's a few. Let's go to all. Go to Auto Trader. Okay, it gives you an idea. High price. Why is that the high price and that one's more expensive? Whatever. Sorry, I don't know the difference when it comes to cars. So, sorry, I'm really bad when it comes to cars. So I'm definitely not the right person to be asking. Technically, I'm going to hide that so you guys can see. But we have... Okay, let's go with the more expensive one. 514,000. Yeah, let's say 515,000 Rand. Let's convert that to dollars. But let's go with 515,000 Rand. Okay. Now. So. There we go. 9,418 dollars. How does that, I don't know, is that expensive or not really? were offended by that. Kit Kats aren't bad though, but Texas always... Oh, interesting. Uniform Charlie. Why not Foxtrot Uniform Charlie Kilo instead of Sugar Honey Iced Tea? I feel like Sugar Honey Iced Tea just rolls off the tongue better, Angry Bob. To be fair. Oh, hi everyone, hit that like button, it's free. You're supporting most amazing stream. Oh, thank you, Muddy, you're so sweet. Yes, I know. Same market now, working center, you get the Chinese company buying out everything. It's crazy. The banks are next. Oh, shoot. That's gonna be very interesting. She only knows Bugattis. Obviously. Obviously, guys. Wait, I need my cool kid glasses again. Obviously. Bugattis for the win. Bright pink Bugatti. That was very drama queen of me. I'm so sorry. This is why I would never be able to be a mean girl. That was... I can't do it. Hey, Zane, what's up? Not really, it's not... So is that not expensive? Is that expensive? So I bought a VW product in England for... That is 301. I feel like, yeah, it's not bad. Well, this car kind of same price in France. Okay, so it's okay. You can easily get... I can easily get that. But that's pricey here. Look. Ah. I'd rather an Aston Martin. To be fair, I really like Aston Martins, but... Okay, now, again, I'm sorry, you guys have now put me on a mission. I want to see if there is indeed pink Bugatti for sale in... Let's see. Oh, I spelled Bugatti like a chop. I don't think we have a pink one. Which is kind of sad. Let's see it. Ooh, which pink Bugatti would you get though? I want the bright pink. That one's cool. Sorry. Random. Let's go back to trading. I apologize. Going on a random little moment over there. Is it insane? I hope today will be so bullish. I just want to highlight because I didn't feel like I could call myself a millionaire. Mikawave, you really actually could. You would be like, everything here is so cheap. What the heck? What about Toyota? Hey Alan, you want to be taught trading? What do you know? Or a Beamer X5. Again, I'm really bad with cars. Is that a nice car? I'm going to assume it's a nice car. Car shopping trades. I hit. Hey, times out of nice. There we go. Wow. Okay. I mean, this price action today does low-key kind of suck. So maybe it was just a sign to stay out of it. Yep. Still hasn't updated. A bummer. Still hasn't refreshed. Let's give it a little bit longer. Why would you want a Bugatti when you have a horse? No, I wouldn't. I just think the pink Bugatti thing is pretty cool. Would I get a Bugatti though? I don't know. But I don't even think I would want a supercar, to be honest. I would probably prefer to get a Bucky. Let's just be real. I prefer Buckies and they're more useful and I can do more with them and I can tow horse boxes. I'm on an X3 now. You want to learn trading? Hey Stan, what's up? What do you want to learn in particular? And also you are more than welcome to join the Discord. Please feel free to join the Discord. Let me pop this on here. Just a reminder, guys, because I can. There's so much sass going on today. I'm so sorry. Just a reminder that I am officially affiliated with Traderfy. If you guys want to use my Traderfy, the 30% discount is only going on until Sunday the 15th, so you have 2 more days. 3 more days, technically. 3 more days to grab your accounts with Tradeify for their 30% discount on all accounts. You can use my code TeachMaya. I did double check, it is working, which is super exciting. So if you guys want to get a Tradeify account, you can use my code. Crypto, the Tradeify crypto account appears to be dropping today as well. You can use my code for that as well, which is super cool. So if you do trade crypto, you can now get Tradeify crypto, and you can use my code to get that as well. My dream car is a Porsche. Rip it is. What was at that level? I know you have your own system, but what was at that 800 level? Let's zoom out and see. I mean, it wicked solidly off of it here. Is that what it is? No, because it was a little bit higher. Oh, there, and an order block higher up. Is that what it's based off of? There's this wick that happened here. There's really decent order block going on at that 805 level. Is that where you got your level from, or is there some other woo-woo stuff that I don't know about? I feel like there's more woo-woo stuff that I don't know about when it comes to your strategy. Would I care for an all-electric buggy? I would love. So I've always actually wanted, you know, like those old school VW Beetles? I've always wanted one, and I've always wanted to paint it or wrap it or whatever, make it look like a ladybug, so that I had a ladybug car. How cute! Like you make it red, maybe give it a stripe down the middle, and it has little black dots, and it's a little ladybug. How cute would that be? That has always been, since I was a little girl, I've always wanted to do that, but yeah, sorry. That was a random little fun fact. I shouldn't say more, is driving, but then I'm car ready, so now I just drive. Everything. So what is Tradeify exactly? Yeah, it's a prop firm. Yeah. It's a prop firm with evals, and it connects you with brokers, and. Okay. I can pick up. I still have VW Beetle that my dad and I work on now and then. Please, please, do you not think it would be so cute if you made it a ladybug? Please. It's considered vintage now. I know, but like a cute little vintage ladybug. Apparently very cute. I tried a cute little hatchback because there's plenty of these ladybugs. Where? Who has a ladybug beetle? I've never seen anyone make their beetle a ladybug. A delivery truck kind of thing, I'm guessing. What are prop firm challenges for? Well, especially if you're a beginner trader, it helps you, number one, not blow through all of your capital. Especially if you're new, it helps you then get the real feel of the market, gives you a goal, and then you can start getting payouts. It's almost a bit like a challenge before you become funded as well. Well, I would never. I'm trying to restore it to its original stuff. Well, that's rude. Warren to buy a pink Bugatti. There's some tiny in my area with a cow theme VW. What? I have no idea. Hey Tom, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? Sorry, that is because I'm kind of glad I couldn't trade today. I would have had one winning. Well, I wouldn't have taken any of these trades. Well, I like to think I would have been more disciplined today and not taken any of these trades. This one maybe, and that would have been a loss. No, I already went through this. Like I said, maybe, but I didn't like how it was positioned. This one, maybe when I saw this volume imbalance, potentially would it have even gone down into, nope. Oh wait, it would have. Maybe with this volume imbalance, I would have said, 1, 2, 3, could have rejected off of there. So maybe I would have taken that. Maybe being the key word. Obviously, you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I don't know if I would have done that. That one, no. Okay, well, that answers that question. Maybe I would have taken one trade. Would have been here over this volume imbalance. That's about it. Maybe a conversion of that shows. Of course, but only on with the beetle, typical. Mud Crab, you're definitely. He's not American, Mikuwave. Muddy's an Aussie. Oh, we're now. Okay, we're talking about cars. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. I know nothing about cars. A few years ago, I didn't even know, like, the symbols for the different cars. And then I may or may not have dated a race car driver. And so I learned a little bit about cars, but not a lot. Mikuwave sells Bugattis and Beetles have. Oh, that's why you're talking about truck. There we go. Non-Chinese electrics of Jersey now. Really? Are the electrics becoming a thing? I didn't really think so. Interesting. Okay. Cool. Look at that go. I really want to move to Australia, but I'm worried because everything wants to kill you out there. To be fair, like I said, I wouldn't mind moving to Australia. I don't have a thing against spiders or snakes or anything like that. Just don't, like, bite me. Oh, Mudcrab, do you know what actually popped into my head the other day? Sorry, this is so random, so random. I would love how to learn how to weld. I don't know why, it just looks so satisfying. I don't know why that popped into my head the other day. I think it's because you mentioned welding because of the 5%ers patch and you're like, I can weld it.
That's what she said.
Anyways, and I literally just thought, I was like, welding looks so satisfying. Is that just me? Is that maybe just me that's like, yes, it looks like fun. It would be a fun skill to learn. But I'm also kind of weird. I would also enjoy, I used to know how to knit when I was young and my gran would teach me. I think knitting could also be fun. I'm moving to Aussie end of March. Really, Trip Eater? That's awesome. Where are you from now? You don't do well with heat. Welding isn't the easiest. Interesting. Hey, some guy. What's up? How you doing? It's therapeutic. See? Literally, it looks really satisfying. Underwater welding is very high paying, but I feel like it's one of them jobs where it's like a lot of effort. Happy Friday, some guy. How are you doing? I am. I'm dressed for Valentine's Day. And I'm here being sad yet happy because I can't take any trades, but in the same breath, this price action sucks, so maybe it's a good thing I can't take any trades. I can teach you, my sweet little green tree frog welder. Let's do it. Let's do it. Welding is fun till you accidentally burn a hole through a weld and you gotta start. Listen, I'm clumsy. I'll probably burn myself like also a million times, but it is what it is. I trip on flat surfaces. It's a little bit sad, but it is what it is. Good, thanks, just a break. Still 150 away from ELO Plus. I am. So some guys, sweet and simply, my dashboard account and my TradingView account showed different. No, sorry, I'm more than 150 away now. Sorry, I lie. I'm on 52755. My TradingView and my dashboard showed different accounts. I nearly had a heart attack this morning. I went onto my dashboard and it said I am down. It said I'm down $1,102. And I was like, excuse me? No, no, no. That's impossible. I haven't taken a trade. How would I be down that much? So I had a heart attack, because then obviously my balance was down to 51653. So I did send an email, and thank heavens, like I said, definitely, you know, shout outs where shout outs are due. Top One is really, really good at getting back to you. They are fantastic. They are awesome. They got back to me within like 15 minutes, and they were like, we are aware of the issue. We do apologize for the inconvenience. There's a bit of a... what did they say? There's a synchronizing issue between Trader8 and the dashboard, but please be reassured that your actual trading data and profits are safe, and they strongly recommend that you pause trading immediately to prevent any further discrepancies with your account status. So, couldn't even take any trades even if I wanted to. Bit of a bummer, but it is what it is. Failed to fetch, why? If it says failed to fetch, it makes me wait. Nope, never mind. Still like that. Oh, why did I? There we go. Hey, Volatility Pips. I am prop trading. What's up? How you doing? Hey, Tyler. How you doing? Especially because you probably wouldn't stop practicing until it looks nice. Yeah, probably. I was trying to pull it into the door. I welded a hole through the door. Oops. Well, I do, don't worry. I'm in the wilderness. It hurts my brain when I see car always. Did you want to be? Who cares? You ate at work right now. Should have done this sooner, but I just used AI to work out how many calories I need a day given my active work lifestyle. Turns out I need... oh my goodness, some guy. What the heck, man? No, that doesn't change anything. Window open with that statement. Be cautious. Hey. No, I'm super excused to just any opportunity I get. Aren't you just a lucky duck, you? Seriously. Would I ever consider trading on a live account someday, or would you stay with props? I don't know. I would probably stay with props, especially in the beginning. Like maybe one day when I've got it like nailed down, and I really don't know. I haven't really thought that far ahead, to be fair. I've just thought about past the eval. That's as far as my thinking went, and that was my only goal for 2026, so the rest we'll figure out when we get there. These bubbles are very entertaining. Anyways, I'm telling you, I don't want to. Listen here, Rip. Good grief. You're gonna be Slim Jim and disappear any day now. Used a powder coat. Ooh, that does sound satisfying. I'm super helpful to keep track of the calories. Just eat and feel. I do a lot of powder coating also. Hey Izzy, so this is Trading View, but I'm going via Trader8. Yeah. So I'm with Trader8, but this is Trading View. That's where I'm at, basically. I have to add things to get the target already. I've got a day, and sometimes that can be difficult to get that in with how busy I am. Hey, Delicio, with the... Okay. Hey Jose, how you doing? What on the Valentine's Day is this? It's Valentine's, right? We gotta make it special. Okay, so if I did take this... Let's see where this heads. Ooh, it went past VWAP on ES, but it did tap there. Oh, this might go straight down. His wife. You guys are so bad. To say hi, you got a problem, bro? Very good at basically everything. Paint was doing spray painting since I was 15.
Emotional damage.
Wait, I got it. Me just watching the drama, just thinking.
Okay, let's go.
Cool. Moving on. I know, I'm just like, what the heck, man? Oh! Would have missed my stop loss by a tick. Good grief. Taxi shopping. My only Valentine is my mama. I know, but that's a good Valentine to have, right? I think. It's a nice thing, right? I feel like that's a nice thing. I'm gonna go with that's a very nice thing. Oh, just eating some popcorn, literally love watching footy, admire, waiting for my trade to get stopped out. No, Muddy, you've got this, bud. I just called you bud, I'm so sorry, I don't know why I said that. Anyways. Do you know about support and resistance labels? Yeah. Why? What's up? But Tyler, what have you got planned for your wife this Valentine's Day? Also, it's handsome because of the bow tie, right? I get it. Bow tie's very cute. Nah, it's too late now. I'm going to the house. Be my Valentine. Oh my gosh. You guys make me question my life sometimes, but it's okay. All my life choices going, well then. Well. Anyways. My Valentine's, my girlfriend, I guarantee will sit there all night drinking and playing games and maybe a bit hanky-panky reverse off this level here. Wait for me, I've got no legs! That's one stroke. Oh, cool. Second. I'm so sorry. Ewy. Never mind. Yeah, okay, clearly it was a sign that clearly I just, shouldn't have traded the well, couldn't trade the session today. How frustrating. Okay. Well, frustrating slash this price action's me. Anyways, I mean, it moved more than it did yesterday. Again, shouldn't have traded yesterday, but whatever. It is what it is. Sweet little Hey Trip Eater, so I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. So that's my strategy. Like I said, someone gave me a sugar honey iced tea for not elaborating further. So if you want me to elaborate further and go through the different confluences and show you what an A+ setup is, let me know. I'm always happy to do that. You don't ask the questions, you don't get the answers, right? So great day today and tomorrow. Aw, thanks Tyler. No, I have no plans. What do you mean? I'm gonna lie in bed, eat snacks, and watch. I've started binge watching Bones. And binge watch Bones. If you're feeling lonely, Maya, you can come play games with us. What type of games? I don't want to be part of some weird games. Anyway, 7 hour trade pending. Honestly, never say that enough. I cancelled Valentine's Day because the market didn't love me back. Oh. That deserves this.
Emotional damage.
I'm so sorry. That's insane. That's so rough. I apologize. It's okay, Jordy. I would still be in this trade, people. I don't know how, but I would still be in this trade. Again, don't know how, but I would be in it. It's still going. Terrified, but it would still be good. Sorry, I went into a deep thought there with that one. Yeah, I mean, why not go deep? Always interesting to talk about different strategies. Oh, I think it's just because a lot of people aren't always keen on listening to the rest of the that I go on about. No, PlayStation ever said that. He's sleeping outside and it's my house. That is hilarious. Ooh, PlayStation sounds like fun though. There we go. I can play some Xbox this weekend. That's a plan. Oops. How does one accidentally transport out? I just can't wish you a wonderful Friday. Cheers, Rippy. See you later. Hey Warren, how you doing? The pilot is leaving the plane. Everyone run! Scrolling accidentally clicked on someone. Never think I see time, not someone. Whoopsies. Shakira. Probably Fable. I started playing it again the other day. So I'll probably just continue playing Fable. Great love beat, right? Like I said, let's see where this goes. If I was looking for a short, would have placed there. Good rejection off of there. Would I have placed that though? It's not bad. Oh, yucky price action. Okay. I know, right? And there's a new Fable coming out. Don't know if you saw, there's like an updated, like a new Fable coming out. It looks pretty cool. Get awkward. Mine come get done by new lifers with me. Oh, I should. I really should. It'll be so much fun. Except I'm really bad at shooty games. Believe me, I do also have like a Tina's Tiny Wonderland. I'm so bad at shooting games, but it's okay. Papa nerd. There another less talking, more dancing. I can't dance, so I don't think you want to see that. Just saying. Okay. We might be calling it early today because this sucks. Let's see if a long or short are in the mix here. Sometimes. Oh no, 100% Geordie. Honestly, Tiny Tina's a banger. Actually playing Borderlands 3 again when I do have time, which is never. I hear you, Mudcrab. I say, oh, I want to play more of my games. Like
Emotional damage.
on PC and but I just never end up having any time to do any of that, which kind of sucks. It would be lots of fun to be able to play some more games, but it is what it is, right? Yeah, 6855 penny level, play from strong support or safe above 638, but you know, don't forget to hit that like button. Oh, thank you, some guy. I just finished Borderlands 4, so good. Love. I'm still waiting on you to completely unleash yourself on some creepers. I felt really bad. I went a little bit unhinged on someone the other day because what did they do? They hopped on here and they were like, we can't see the bottom of your chart. I'm assuming they were on the vertical stream, right? Because you can't, it's difficult with the vertical you can't fit the whole thing in without it being like this big. And they hopped on and they were like, we can't see the bottom of your thing. How do we know you're not just paper trading? So I like unlocked everything and I was like, here, do you want to see my balance? Do you want to, let me go through everything. Look, this is real. Here's my balance. Do you want to like see my top 1 futures account? Like, honestly. And he was then like, oh, I'm so sorry. And then I felt really bad. He was like, you know, you never know with some people, they could be lying. I was like, you're not wrong. I am so sorry. I went a little bit unhinged for no valid reason. I'm so sorry. If you don't know me, it's, you know, it would be valid to ask that question. If you're new here and you're like, she could be lying. I do not lie. I'm here for this to be a very open and honest situation. But yes, I went a little bit unhinged and I felt really bad afterwards. I just work here. I heard really bad things about Portland's Fort. Was sad. I love Portland's Fort. I play Fallout when I have to. So my relationship got a little sassy. I did. Harry Butt, what's up? Sorry. Why? Why is your name Harry Butt? Anyway, I see charts of thing trading. Trading is trading. Yeah. Sassy Molassie. I did. Don't care. Best game ever. Destiny 2 all day long. Just seeing a preview of it. It's beautiful. Get angry. Do it more. Yeah. I felt really bad. I did feel really bad because he was like, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend. I was like, oh damn, you're nice. I thought you were being like hopping on here being sassy and I caught it back and you're not being sassy, you're just being genuine, and I felt pretty bad. Yeah. Hey Maddie, well, to be fair, I should maybe hop off here. I can't do anything. And it is around lunchtime. So, hi, you're gonna say hi. You're gonna come say hi to everybody. Yeah. Oh, he's being all shy. Look, you get a sweetie if you come say hi. Oh. Well, that got his attention. Yeah, sweetie. You want to put on the Valentine's Day glasses? You can put on... No, bring your face here. Oh, put his little... Come. Oh, sorry, I nearly poked you in the eyeball. No, wait, give me your face. Okay, wait. I'm terrorizing my dog. Give me a minute. Oh my gosh, come. Oh my goodness. No, don't let it fall. Come, you look so cute. Cute. The glasses. You're such a good boy. Oh my gosh. You were so cute. You were so precious. I'm so sorry for nearly stabbing you. Okay. No, honestly. Can I just ask, did you have this outfit ready? No, I have this. Ironically, hear me out. Ironically, I own a lot of dresses. For a human being that never wears dresses, I own a lot of dresses. So yeah, I've always had this dress. It's really, really nice. Like I said, it has pockets. Instant winner. No, that was a very big yawn, Big Bud. Oh, I'm getting licks on my knee now. So no, you say that like I have money to go out and buy a dress. Don't be a crazy daisy. I feel very bad. Then went above and beyond to make sure she explained herself because she's used to randoms being... Yeah, exactly. I feel like this outfit has been used for a hanky-panky before. No. Oh my gosh, do you know what? I actually went to... like I said, I've never really been to casinos before, but I actually went to the casino, the one in Menlyn Square, Geordie, in this dress. It was for my birthday. I went in this dress to Menlyn Square, because it has pockets. I will go on and on about the pockets, because dresses never have pockets. And yeah, I actually went to the casino. My first and only time I've gone gambling. Wasn't gambling. Anyways, oh, so this would have been a win. Okay, so the short would have been a win. long would have been a flop. Okay. Mad Crab? Kara, I got you. I get it. They're nice to have. Or in case, like situations like this. And that's daddy on. Ayo, Mikrowavet, did I win any money? No, no, not really. Ayo, Machine of Wall Street, what's up? No, last one. Yeah, I guess. Well, like I said, it's nice. Could maybe put a belt here, but again, it's not like, it's because, do you know what? If I ever go out in a dress, I end up wearing, like, you know, those short tights underneath, because my luck is always that it'll be windy that day and it'll end up blowing up and being a pain in the butt. I might be there tomorrow. Really? That's really cool. Why? What are you gonna do? It looked nice on the... Oh, damn. Oh, damn. It says pockets fitty. It does. Ooh. Wait, it's Pretoria. Geordie, I do. For a lot of... Oh, okay, good grief. For a lot of reasons. But the main reason is the horsey vibe. I do miss Pretoria, and I miss, like, obviously my friends and things there. I mean, the beach is really nice, don't get me wrong, but yeah, I do miss it. Well, apparently I'm not allowed to say that. The wind is our friend, not my friend. Beans, are you from German? What's up? I'm also KZ inside. How are you doing? Tell them who don't tell them. How will they know exactly? Go for it. Machine of Wall Street, what's your analysis on gold? Oh, cool. Which one, though? They have a few, don't they? They do. It's respecting these shelves really nicely. Oh, okay, dokie. Okay, so I guess a good thing I wasn't able to trade today. Don't get me wrong, I'm still bummed that I couldn't, but it is what it is. You refresh one more time. Nah. Okay. Well then, might just be calling it early today. I wonder if Harry Butt left. I think he did. Cheers, cheers. 5 seconds, we're looking at the 5 minutes. No, it's not great. Yeah, I'm most likely then gonna hop off, call it a day there. I'll be back looking like a Valentine's fairy and all for the New York. Hopefully I can trade. Let's see. If I can, awesome. If I can't, again, it is what it is, but I love you guys madly. Wait, let's make this proper. There we go. Give me a second. Okay. I love you guys madly. Thank you for stopping on and joining me. I know I wasn't able to get any trades in today. Again, maybe not a bad thing. This price action's very meh. But yes, you guys are always the best. You know I love you guys madly. So madly. So yeah, have an amazing day. Happy Valentine's Day if I don't see you guys during the New York session. If I see you guys during the New York session, hopefully I can trade. Let's see what today brings. Don't forget to press that like button and the support via my code TEACHMAYA with any of the props in my description below. If you want to hop on the Discord, whatever it might be, is always appreciated. I love you guys madly, and I will be back for New York Open. Okay, I love you guys. See you then. Bye.